guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the February... I don't know if it's premium or luxe because they didn't label the box. But then the small one that came with it, I assumed also was just the base box. So I don't think they sent out two different sizes of base box. I believe January had a luxe box. So I'm assuming, and I'm going to call it as though it were premium box. Whether or not that's accurate, who the hell knows? But it's the second to last month of true Boxycharms we got, so it doesn't really matter now, does it? And it's another one that has no info on the products, so we're just gonna show them. First thing in there, I felt like was cop out and kind of a hint towards the Ipsy merger because we have an Ipsy Refreshments Velvety Body Cream in unscented. Thanks, that's just what I always wanted. Like, couldn't have even made it a fun one. No, it's unscented. Cool. Anyway, so there's that. Or at least the rest of the stuff's good. So we have Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Redness Relief Serum. So I believe that's everything in here. I believe is full size. So that's why I missed the true Boxycharm because I don't think they do that in the Ipsy version now. But anyway, we have the Persona Lip Gloss in Honey. So let's see, what does honey look like? Ooh. I mean, I don't know that I would call that color honey. It's more of a caramel. It's got like a golden reflect in it, but like you would call that caramel or like dulce de leche, right? That's not honey. Does it at least smell like honey? Probably not, but no, it doesn't really smell like anything. That's disappointing. Oh well, they can't all be winners, right? Maybe it's like really nice once it's on or something. I don't know. Then we have, what brand is this? Ace Beauté Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick in Manifest. This is a fancy box for one lipstick, right? Like, my goodness. Bro, like, can we appreciate this? Although, why does it look like some is used? I don't see fingerprints. I don't think it actually is, but hopefully it's not like half dried up or some shit. Okay, let's kind of take a little quick inspect. There's no fingerprints, and I feel like there would be fingerprints if somebody had been handling this. It's just kind of half dried out. Just what I always wanted. Well, I'm moving it around. It is still liquid in there, so... Oh, that's a chemical smell. Well, that's a shame, because it's really, really pretty packaging. But, like, that smells like death. Anyway. Am I the only one getting vibes of, like, the vial in Death Becomes Her from that, though? Like, just saying. Just saying. So we have that. From Eloise, which you know I love, we have the Secret Garden 3D Blush and Glow palette. Let's see, what do we have? Ooh, okay, first of all, they're all floral, like, prints into them, but, like, look at these. They're gorgeous. I mean, they're all pretty dark other than, like, that one corner one. And even that's, like, kind of dark, but I don't know. I'll have to play with them and see how they look on, but they're very pretty. Very, very pretty. I'm loving the florally aesthetic. I love that it's Eloise of all things. Like, one of my favorite names in the world, so I always love when I get anything from this brand. And finally, the last thing in here, the Chianti London Royal Edition 24-piece eyeshadow palette. So, let's see what we have. Oop. Okay, so the color names, I'll show you what the colors look like in a second, but the color names are Palace, Prince, Tiara, Palace Gardens, Countess, Princess, Regal, Crown, Duchess, Lady in Waiting, Noble, Diamonds, Crowning Glory, Royalty, Empress, Spectre, Throne, King, Royal Blue, Jubilee, Queen, Castle, Corgi, and Royal Family. Oh my god, I love that they got Corgi in there. So, these are the colors. That's pretty cool. Some of them are very similar to one another, but I mean, it's still a very nice palette, and this seems like an appropriate time of year to be using such a palette. So maybe I'll dip into that as like one of the next big palettes that I get going. So I have one that has to come before it since I rolled it into my American Panning Story project. But after that one, this may be the next one. I'm thinking. I'm thinking. So anyway, it's what I got in the February assumedly, presumedly premium box. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.